Straight, are you seeing that? So it's following around the neck because that's where it came from. So it's continuing that curve before straightening out. Something like that. I don't know. Some people, everybody's got different styles of drawing. Some are very architectural with a lot of corners and straight lines. My style ends up being a little bit more organic. I tend to put a little bit more curve in things. And you're going to kind of figure out what your style is too. So just throwing that out there. Okay? So now with this collar in here, I can continue my shoulder seam to that point. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other seams? What about this? Would I need this?
Nothing.
Right? So I think that covers our seams and our darts and our edges. Are we missing any edges? I'm seeing one big missing edge. Besides the placket.
Inside of the neck.
The inside of the neck, right? Where does that collar go from here? Are you seeing that?
Oh, yeah.
So we have the outside edge. We need to know the inside edge. And so that's sort of connecting this same center front neck point, and it's going up, right? The fabric has some thickness though, so rather than drawing just straight up to that point, I'm going to leave a little bit of gap there to show that there's kind of some depth. And it's going to curve kind of around the neck as well. So it's mostly straight in the front, and then it's going to curve in the neck. And I'm actually going to put a little hook at the top to show that that fold is continuing around the neck. I'm going to leave a teeny tiny gap, and that's indicating the thickness of the fabric. Can everybody see that? If this were a big, thick wool coat with thick fabric, I would leave a much bigger gap, and that would help define the thickness. Okay? So anybody have any questions with how we got here? We have 35 minutes before lunch. Do you think you could get that far? I think so. You guys are being really speedy.